Heart channel diagnosis. Heart Qi deficiency. Palpitations, shortness of breath on exertion, pale face, spontaneous sweating, tiredness, slight depression, pale tongue and an empty pulse. Heart Yang deficiency. Palpitations, shortness of breath on exertion, tiredness, spontaneous sweating, a slight feeling of stuffiness or discomfort in the heart region, feeling of cold, cold hands, bright pale face, slightly dark lips, pale tongue, deep weak pulse. Heart blood deficiency. Palpitations, dizziness, insomnia, difficulty in falling asleep, but then stays asleep. Dream disturbed sleep, poor memory, anxiety, propensity to be startled, dull pale complexion, pale lips, pale thin tongue, choppy or fine pulse. Heart Yin deficiency. Palpitations, insomnia, difficulty falling and staying asleep, dream disturbed sleep, propensity to be startled, poor memory, anxiety, mental restlessness, uneasiness, fidgetiness, dry mouth, dry throat, night sweats, tongue with no coating, floating and empty pulse. Heart fire blazing. Palpitations, thirst, mouth and tongue ulcers, feeling agitated, feeling of heat, insomnia, waking up frequently and dream disturbed sleep, red face, dark urine or blood in the urine, bitter taste, red tip of tongue, swollen with points, yellow coating, full, rapid and overflowing pulse. Phlegm fire harassing the heart. Palpitations, thirst, red face, bitter taste, a feeling of oppression in the chest, expectoration of phlegm and a rattling sound in the throat, mental restlessness, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, agitation and incoherent speech, mental confusion, rash behavior, a tendency to hit or scold people, uncontrolled laughter or crying, shouting, muttering to oneself, mental depression and dullness, manic behavior, red tongue and redder and swollen tip with red points, yellow, dry, sticky coating, deep heart crack, full rapid slippery or rapid overflowing slippery or rapid full and wiry pulse. Phlegm misting the heart. Mental confusion, unconsciousness, lethargic stupor, incoherent speech, vomiting of phlegm, rattling sound in the throat, mental depression, emotional lability, aphasia, very dull eyes, swollen tongue with thick sticky coating, heart crack, slippery pulse. Heart Qi stagnation. Palpitations, a feeling of oppression or distension in the chest. Depression, a slight feeling of lump in the throat. A slight shortness of breath. Sighing. Poor appetite. Dislike of laying down. Weak and cold limbs. Slight purple lips. Pale complexion. Tongue slightly pale. Purple on the sides and in the chest area. Empty pulse, but very slightly overflowing on the left front position. Heart vessel obstruction. Palpitations, shortness of breath with an inability to lay down, depression, mental restlessness, a feeling of stuffiness under the hypochondrium, a flustered feeling A feeling of oppression in the chest, stabbing or pricking pain in the heart region that comes and goes, and which may radiate to the upper back or shoulder. Pain aggravated by cold. Pain alleviated by heat. Expectoration of phlegm, epigastric or hypochondrial distension, a feeling of heaviness and dislike of speaking. Cold hands, sighing, purple lips, purple face, purple nails. Tongue purple on the sides in the chest area, swollen with a sticky coating. Wiry, choppy, or knotted pulse. Heart-blood stasis. Palpitations. Stabbing or pricking pain in the chest. Pain may radiate to the inner aspect of the left arm or to the shoulder. Pain that comes in bouts or is elicited by exertion or by cold. A feeling of oppression of constriction in the chest. Cyanosis of the lips and nails. Cold hands. Tongue purple in its entirety, or purple only on the sides of the chest area. Choppy, wiry, or knotted pulse. Heart-yawn collapse. Palpitations, shortness of breath, weak and shallow breathing, profuse sweating, cold limbs, cyanosis of the lips, grayish-white complexion, in severe cases, coma, very pale or bluish tongue, hidden, minute, knotted pulse.